So hey you guys, this is Pat from Brothers Graham Stories. um, so I just want to do a quick little trick or technique anyone can use. Um, so it's called chromatic aberration, or you can call it color fringe or color slide. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 4 layers. We already got one, so all we need is like 3. There we go. Um, so with the first layer, we go to edit. We go we go down to here like total total correction. Say that Joyce, whatever. Then we go to level correction. Click there. You just want to make each 3 extra layers one of these. So the first one we're gonna make red. We're gonna take this this white side arrow and bring it all the way to the other side with the other arrow on the black side. Click OK and just repeat, but choose a different color. Since I already did red, next one is green, and slide that all the way there, and then click OK. Then just got this last one. We almost there, people. Okay, and choose blue, and once again slide it all the way to the left. Click OK. Now with this last step, I find it's quicker to choose all 3. Then go up here to blending mode, then choose difference. Then all you have to do is I already got move layer chosen, so all you have to do is do this. I moved the wrong thing. All you have to do is do this. Or, you know, something like that, and then give it that whole like glitch effect. Look, yeah. Oh, let's see how when I'm just move the middle one. But I know what a lot of people was thinking, like, what if I'm not an artist? I just like messing around with my pictures and stuff. But before then, I also want to show another thing that I did with, and see that's a little bit how it goes. So, what about if you just wanna mess around with your own pictures? Okay, I'm doing the same steps over. Level collection, first one red, move to the left. Once again, green, move to the left. Again, Last one. Put blue. Blue to the left. Okay. And then once again, choose all layers. Go up to difference. Click that. Just have to move one. And see, it gives it kind of like glitch effect. I could like zoom in so the ports is not like showing. And voila. Alright. That's it, and I hope you enjoy and probably use the technique for something you want to do, or whenever something come up and you like, how can I make something look glitched? Alright, peace.